Hello from Hengehold Trucks. Feast your eyes on this 2021 Isuzu NPR XD 16-foot box van with 59,423 miles. Go ahead and pretend you're not impressed. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a 2,000-pound Maxon tuck-away liftgate, a marathon aluminum body, cruise control, a backup camera, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.